Hello and welcome back to our third video of learning how to create websites using WordPress with Muhindo Mbarak. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create such a website. It's not the most beautiful website, but it will give you enough knowledge that you will grasp and be able to make website with such features. It's not the greatest, but it will give you the knowledge to do what? To do such a website. You'll have a website which can have a slider like this one. A website by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own menu in a WordPress website. Like you have this menu and it is having a sub menu like this. Like if I click on the menu health news, I'll only sort and see the news about the health. Okay, by the end of this video, you'll be able to modify your website with a theme or a right theme for your website, and looks like mine. For example, mine is for news, so it's for the shop. Yours also look exactly like a shop. By the end of this website, you'll be able to add your pages, or to create a page and add it inside the menu. For example, you see me, I created a about us page and I was able to add it inside the menu just within this video, and I'm able to read about the menu. About us through the menu link. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to create the links such as these ones that can enable us to share. And you shall do that with the power of plugins. So you'll learn also how to create plugins. You'll be able to create and manage your footer and create a footer menus like the one that you can see here in background. So we have a lot to cover in this course or in this class. So let's get started and make sure that you don't quit until you are able to learn what you're going to learn in this topic. Hello and welcome to the third class of learning how to create websites using WordPress. You're still with me, Muhindo Mbarak, who is going to take you through what you're going to learn today. So if you missed the previous classes, I recommend you to find the links of those two classes in the description of this video, and first watch those classes, and when you're the same level with us, then you can continue with us. But otherwise, this is our third class, and we're going to cover things that we didn't cover in the previous classes. In other words, we're going to resume from where we stopped from in the previous classes. So here's the menu that we're going to look at today. We're going to look at WordPress as the content management system. We're going to look at the quick and bulk edit of posts and pages. You shall look at using the media grid. We shall look at how to install themes and what are themes and how they work. We shall look at the theme customizer or the website customizer. Then we shall also look at plugins and creating pages and creating menus. So we have a lot to cover in this session, and without wasting much time, let us begin. So we said that we're going to look at WordPress as content management system. So we call WordPress content management systems because it is supposed to manage our content, and it is supposed to give us the best way to manage the content. So one of the reasons why we call WordPress management system, WordPress as a content management system, is that we are able to post our posts inside WordPress, and then they can be published. Oh, I've not connected to internet, sorry. They can be published and be accessed by other people in their mobile, or in their mobile phones, or in their computers. So in the first and second classes, we created this website, and here it is. We created some posts. So our posts that we created, their content, and we were able to upload those posts. And in those posts, we put things like videos, we put files, and many more. You still remember. So WordPress gives us ability to control these posts as well as the files. So if you want to control the posts that we had uploaded before, we come to a dashboard admin navigation menu, and then you click on posts. So when you click on post, you'll be able to see the previous post that you had uploaded before. Now you see, this is my first post and this is my second post. So there are something that you can do here. Among the things that we can do, if you move your mouse over this post that you have that you created before, you'll find the word quick edit. The option of quick edit. This quick edit will enable you to edit the post without opening it wholly. For example, if I want to change some simple thing, not the whole post, but some things, some information about the post, I can use this quick edit to simply edit my post. For example, if I click on quick edit, I can be able to change the name. You see, I have here a full stop. Maybe I want to remove this full stop, so I can change the name. For example, remove that full stop. I can change the post slug. You remember what we call slug, the post, what appears in the post link. And then I can change the post category, and then I'm able to change the post template if they have some. I'm able to change the post tags, and I can separate them using what? Using a link. I can change the status of this post, whether it should be in a draft mode or should be published. And then if I change, for example, I've removed this full stop, I can update without refreshing the whole page or without opening the whole post. So it gives us, WordPress gives us that quick edit. Like you've seen, I've changed my post from the title that it had to this title. It was having a full stop, but at this moment it does not have that full stop. So, but if you have more details, for example, you want to change the content itself of the post, then you have to click on this edit, not quick edit, but edit. Then you'll be able to edit the post as whole of it. But if you want to change some simple things, you don't need to open the whole post. You don't need to open the whole post in order to edit. For example, if I want to edit some information, that's how I can click on this main edit, and I'll be able to do what? To edit some information, like the information, the content of the whole post inside. But if I want to change or to make some simple changes, I don't need to do what? I don't need to open the whole post. I can use the quick edit to do some simple things. So that was quick edit for you. This is view, and there is trash here. So what's the meaning of trash? Trash means, like, let us first go to the main page, and then trash means to delete this post. So if I click on trash, this post will be moved to the trash can. So if I come and refresh, you see we're having this post. I've deleted it, remember? So if I come and refresh, you see the post that we had, which had a gentleman with a kid, it has gone because we have deleted it. So that's how we delete a post. But if you delete a WordPress post, it does not go forever. It does not go forever. You'll see here the word trash. So if you want to restore it, you have one more chance to click on trash and come and bring back this post. So if I want to delete it permanently to go forever, then I'll click here and then it will be deleted forever. But if I want it back, I have that chance by clicking on restore, and then this post will come back to all posts or to the published post, and I'll be able to have my post back. So if I refresh, and then I'll have the post back to a what? To a website, because I have restored this post. So that's how we delete and restore. There are some things you can filter. Maybe you want to display posts of specific category. These are categories. I've not talked about categories, but I'll talk about them in the previous, in the coming part of this video. I have the post category. I can change the post. I can filter. Maybe I want to see a specific category. I can filter using that. Or you see, in that category there's no post. That's why I see no post. So I can click all posts. Then I'll have all my posts back. I can filter according to date. Maybe I want the post that I've posted in only 2020 on the month of April. Then I'll be able to do that by filtering. And you can see only those posts that are posted in that month, they are able to be displayed. We have another option here called screen options. These screen options, you can use it to limit the number of posts that we want to display per page. For example, if I want to display one post at a time, I can change here this number to 1, and then it means that I'll have one post per page. So this advantage, I can choose which item should be shown on my table of posts. I can say category should not be shown. I can say authors should not be shown. Or I can select only authors should be shown, and you see here the authors will be shown. Then if I apply these page numbers, you see, if I apply, I've changed this number to be 1, and then you can see we're able to see only one post per page. If I want to go to another page, I can click here. But you cannot realize the advantage of this screen options, then numbers per page, until your website is too big For example, I have one website that I'm managing, UNEWS24.info/WP admin. That website I'm managing it. It's a huge website. Let me log in. It's really huge website. Okay, it's a huge website. So I'm going to show you the advantage of this number of items per page. So you see this post we're having. Let me take you to the post, the website itself. This website we are having, it's all come to posts. What are the posts? You're wondering why I have a lot of items in my menu. Don't worry, I'll explain, and you'll also have them in your website also. So you see, this is a huge website, really huge website. We have a lot of posts, around 9,000 posts. Okay, so if you want to see the advantage of these screen options, I have come to my posts. So you see we're having almost 8,000 posts, or like 30 posts that are remaining to hit 8,000 posts. So you see I have 5 posts per page. So if I want to see 10 posts per page, you see, but so this post number of posts, they're divided into number of pages, and those number of pages I set it, and then they can, if I want to go to another next page, I can click here, and then I'll be taken to another page. So if I want to see 10 posts per page, I click on screen options, and then I change this one maybe to 15 posts per page. So if I say apply, and then I'll be able to see 15 posts per page. You see, I can see 15 posts per page. Otherwise, if I want to see 100 posts per page, I can click here and they change to 100 posts per page. So that's how that one is advantageous. If I want to go to the next page, I can click here, and then they'll show me another page. So I can as well search in this website. For example, I can search the word Uganda. Then by doing this, it will show me the posts which have title of the word Uganda, and you see it will make it easy for me to navigate through my posts. Otherwise, if your website is too small, you cannot realize even the advantage of searching. But if your website is too huge, you can use that search to browse through your posts. So with that said, we shall leave that part of posts at there. But before we leave it, we have something called bulk action. You have some bulk action that you can do. For example, I want to change a list of categories. For example, these posts, all these posts which are having the word Uganda, I want to put them in a category of Uganda. So I can do that by simply selecting all. Then you see here you have what we call bulk action. So I can select bulk action. Among the bulk action, you have to delete. If I want to delete all these posts at once, so I have to select them all, and then do what? And click on bulk action, and then I can move them to trash at once, and that will save my time because there's so many posts at this page. So if I want to edit them, I can also as well edit by clicking on edit and then say apply, and then you see something that we can edit in bulk. We can change the categories, we can change the author, we can change whether they should allow comments or not allow comments. We can also add some tags. For example, you see all these posts, I searched the word Uganda. So all these posts, they're about Uganda. So I can copy this, and then I say, okay, this post about Uganda news, maybe Uganda news. So by doing that, I'll be able to add, and then I say update. I'll be able to add all the 15 posts that are displaying on this page to have the Uganda news tag. So that's how it is advantageous to use the bulk edit. So with that said, we shall leave that section of that section of posts. So we say that still, or we put this, that's one of the content that we're putting in our website. The other content that we're putting in our website, we had the media, the page, the images, the photos that we're uploading. So if you want to see these photos, you click here on media. You see this option of media, and then you'll see the photos that you are uploading. So WordPress is smart. Like if you upload a photo in your post, this photo won't just be dependent on that post only. No, it will also keep these posts, these photos separately, or those PDF files separately, or those audio that you uploaded separately, or any file that you upload, it will keep it separate so that you should be able to reuse it. For example, you see when we were creating the post, I uploaded this post, this photo. So this photo was kept separately from the from the post that I created, so that I should be able to reuse it. For example, I want to share this photo alone. I have the link here, so I can copy this link. Maybe I send it to someone and he will be able to see the link, the photo alone, regardless even to the to the photo. I can even use it in my Android application. I can use it anywhere without doing without seeing the whole post. So that's how WordPress is intelligent, and that's why I call it a a content management system. So if I click here, I'll see this navigation. I can be able to go to the next post, next media, or to go to the previous media. I can change the information about this post, this media. I can edit this media. You'll play with that. I'll not do that, but you can come and edit by cropping some simple things. I can change the title. I can change the description of this photo. So I can even click on next and browse through my navigation. I can delete it also. So that's how WordPress is intelligent. So this is what we call this view that we are seeing at this moment. We call it grid view. So the grid view will enable us to do some bulk select. So bulk select, if I want to select, maybe you see this, I have a few media here. I have a few media. These are not too much. Let us come to UNEWS24 and I show you the media that I have in this website. So I'll come to media. Where is it though? Media. If I come here to media, you'll see I have thousands and thousands of images inside my inside my website of UNEWS24. So if you have so big, if you have a very huge website which is handling a lot of content, you can use this bulk select to perform some bulk actions. But here, my website is so small. This one, I can just select all of them at once. But you see, this one have a huge content, so bulk select can help me. So here I can select bulk. You see, I select all these ones, but I have only one option for bulk, the bulk select for media. I have a single option, and the single option here is a permanent delete. I don't have other option. Maybe I want to do bulk edit. No. A permanent delete. And if you delete a media, it will not give you a second chance like the way we did in the post. Like it first went to trash and then we went to trash and delete permanently. No, for the media it's a different story. If you delete it, it will go forever. So that's content management system. Okay, so we see that option of bulk delete or bulk select. You can see it. For example, if I click here bulk select, you see I'm able to select. I can even press shift and I click here, then to select all of these ones at once. Press shift and then click range. It will select them, all of them at once, and I can do bulk delete. So this bulk select will sit only in the grid view, but we have another type of view which is called list view. So if you click on list view, your post will be shown in form of name and thumbnail and then the list. Also you'll get here the screen the screen option. You can also choose which one, the range you can do like the way we did in the previous ranges. So that's how we perform. We can manage our content. You have bulk select, and this one only it can do the bulk or permanent delete. So if I can select all and delete them at once, so we can manage our media in that way, and we can manage our posts in that way, and that's why we call WordPress a content management system. So that one is over, and quick select and bulk select is over. So you'll practice that and see and get used of how to manage your posts and pages in that way. So we're going to something else. We call it grid. You've already finished that. So we go to themes. So what are themes? So themes, without wasting much time, themes, they're about the appearance of our website. You know, our website have to look unique. Every company's website has to look unique from another company's website. So WordPress, it created a way that programmers can program and make, those who have knowledge of CSS, HTML, what, they make for us themes. So we go to the market of themes of WordPress and then install these themes in our website, and then we can activate them, and then our website will have a different look from other websites. So in simple terms, a theme is about the appearance of your website. It's about the looking of your website. You see, my website is looking at this moment. I mean, it's looking like this at this moment. But if you see this UNEWS24 website, is totally different. It does not look like this one. Okay? So what makes this website to look different from this one is what, I mean, is a what? Is a theme. Is the one that makes this one look like totally different from this one. Is a theme. So today at this moment I'm going to show you how and where we can find these themes and how we can install the themes in our website. You see, it is totally different from this. So let us see how to install themes. So to install the theme, to change the appearance of website, you come to appearance and then themes. So WordPress gives you themes. You see, you already have some themes installed on our website: 2017, 2019 and 2020. Okay, and you have 2020. Those are the themes which are installed on our website. So you see, if I come to my website this moment, I have this theme activated. Okay, you can have thousands of themes installed in your website, but we can only activate one at a time. It's just like having thousands of ringtones in your website, but will only, I mean, in your mobile phone, but you'll only activate one ringtone at a time. So I have this one activated, 2020. And this is how our website look like. Let me try to activate this one. So I'll activate this one, 2017. It is made by WordPress and it came with our website. So 2017. Let us see. I'll refresh and see how it will look like our website. Boom. Our website looks totally different from the other one that we had. Can you see? In the previous website we did not have this media. Okay? But with this 2017, it will make our website look like this. Okay, we do not have these links. We did not have this kind of content. I mean, this kind of appearance. So it has changed our what? Our appearance, the appearance of our what? Of our website. So if I click here, our post even cannot appear like the way it was appearing before. So in simple terms, a theme is the one that changes the feeling of your website, the appearance of your website. So these are 3 themes only, but where can we get more themes? To get more themes, you click on add new theme. So by clicking on add new theme, you'll find a market, a shop of themes that are for free and provided by other developers. So these are the latest, I mean, these are the featured themes. You can navigate through these featured themes, first of all, by saying the featured themes. You can see popular themes, the most famous themes, the most themes that are loved by people, sorted by number of installations. So if I click on popular, I'll see other themes here. Okay, so I can click on latest. These are the most latest theme, the most theme that programmers have uploaded. So they're loading. Wow, they're slow. Okay, here they are. These are the most latest themes that they have just put, maybe today or like even yesterday. Okay, the latest themes. We can see favorite. In case you like some themes, they'll be here. You can as well filter these themes. So these, I'm just showing you how to navigate through the themes. So WordPress gives us also a way to filter the themes. For example, I want the e-commerce themes. I can simply click here on e-commerce theme, then they'll show me the e-commerce themes. If I want news themes, to be sure to show news theme and food themes, entertainment theme, I can select these features, subjects, the topics, and then I say apply filter. Then they'll show me the themes according to what I filtered. So right now I know according to my filter they were not able to find any theme for me. So let me say e-commerce themes. So if I say apply, you'll see they'll find for me e-commerce themes that are related to e-commerce. If I click again on filter, I can again sort which one to be shown. So if I want news themes, for example, my website is for news, so I can select news, then I say apply filter, then they will show me the news themes. So if I want another filter, you can filter according to what you want. Okay, here the themes which have custom logo, etc. So I will come here again to featured themes, all themes, and I'll be able to see all the themes. So before you install a theme in your website, you have to first consider a lot of things. And among the themes, the thing that you should consider is the purpose of your website. What is your website? Is it a shop? Is it a news website? Is it a education website? Is it a tutorial website? Is it a blog? Is it a video website? Is it a fashion website? So all those things, you have to consider them before you install your theme. For example, my website is for theme. I mean, my website is for news. So I can, after knowing that in news, my website is for news, then I have to install the theme for news, not the theme for shop. So if I want the theme for news, I can simply come here and search news theme, and then they'll show me a list of themes which are about news. Okay, can you see all of these? They are news themes. But you also have to choose a best news theme, not any kind of news theme, but the best news theme. So there are many ways how you can find the best news theme. For example, you can search here news theme. You can come here, they'll just show you randomly. You can come to popular themes, and then you'll be able to see what most popular theme. Then you search for what? For news theme. You can also search on Google, like asking best free WordPress news theme. So if is a shop, you can search for shop theme. Or so here I'll see for free, I'll see some people who have made a list, and then I see Colorib, they are going to tell us some news theme. You see here they're saying that this fashion theme is for free and it's also good. We have newspaper X, you have this one. So you see, they'll suggest for you, instead of just going and start installing the theme before you search, you have to first search and then get a recommendation and then install that theme. So at this moment, I can search also and get a recommendation. Maybe let us see if this theme is in a website of WordPress. How is it called? It's called newspaper. So I can come and search it by coming here and paste newspaper X. I paste, and then I'll be able to see, press enter, and then I'll be able to see the newspaper. See TA newspaper, this is news tourist, I don't know, this is affiliate news pally. I don't know. So but the thing is, you have to first find out the best theme for you before you install, either by searching or asking a friend or using any other logic. Don't just install any theme. So according to me, I'm just going to come here to popular, and then I'm going to browse the first news theme that I'll find. It's the one that I'll install. So I'll come, this is not a news theme, this is not a news theme. I've clicked on popular, remember. I'll come here, there is news theme here. Okay, news app. So if I click on news app, I can now preview this news app. Here I've not installed it, but I'm previewing it. Previewing means like you see how your website look like in case you install this theme. So you see, this is how my website is going to look like. Okay, so you'll have here the rating. 11 people, they have said that this theme is the best for news. I think does not look ugly. I can go with this theme. So I can close, or I can simply click there on install, or I can come here and say install. So this theme is going to install into our website. It is for free, and it's the best according to WordPress. It is trending, it is liked by people at this moment. Okay, so that's my technique. I've found out the popular theme, and then I come to the popular tab and then find the first news theme. Okay, so you see it has been installed. So one more thing, installing a theme does not mean activating it. So if you come here and you come to our shop, so you come to our website, still our website has not changed. It's still exactly like the way it was before. Okay, so it means that this theme has not been activated. So to activate a theme, you come to appearance, themes, then you see this theme picture will be here, and we had 3 themes before, now there are 4. Now we have to activate it in order this theme to take action in our website. So to activate it, I simply click on what? On activate. Then this theme will be activated in our website. So it has been activated, and the activated theme will always be the first on the list. Okay, here on the list. So I have it here. Now let's see how our website look like. So are you ready? I hope so. Let us refresh and see. 1, 2, 3. Refresh. Boom. You see, our website has looked totally different like the way it was before. That is the power of a theme. That is the power of a theme. So we even have a slider of our news website. Wow, you see, it looks different, it looks amazing. Okay, looks amazing. Wow, wow, even the post looks amazing. Related posts, you see, it looks nice, it looks nice. Wow, it looks nice. Okay, so in simple terms, that's how we do what, that's how we change the theme. Don't just install any theme, but install a relevant theme, and that's recommended. Indeed, I not choose badly here. I even have time here. I not choose badly according to me. Okay, so don't just install a theme. So we have that theme in our website, and that's how we install a theme in our website. So what else? We have learned how to install a theme in our website and how to choose a theme. We have to customize. Okay, customizer. Now, after installing a theme, what next? You have to make the website be your website. For example, you see the most dominant color, the popular color here is the what? Is the blue color. But maybe my company's color is red. Now, how will I change this red? Is through customization. So to customize your website, you can either come here and click on customize, come to your website and then click on customize, or come to the theme, click on the theme, and then you'll see customize. Those are two ways how you can customize your website. Or you'll the third way is through customize here, appearance, then customize. So me, I'll use this one, so I'll click on customize. The use of customize is to change the appearance of now your theme, is to modify your theme, to modify the appearance of your website. So to customize your website, if your theme is powerful, it will give you more control or bigger control to your website. I repeat, the power to control your website relies on the theme that you install. If your theme is weak or is not powerful, you will not be able to control everything inside your website. But if your theme is powerful, you will be able to control more and more things inside your website. So why did I click? I click on customize. Remember, I click on something called customize here. Okay, that's why I clicked, and by clicking that, I got this part. So this part will enable us to customize our website. So you see this pane? Can you see this? If I click there, I'll be able to modify that particular part. Can you see? It is theme default setting, and it's about the date, so I can modify that date. Can you see this one? I can click there and I'll be able to modify there. Can you see also this pane? I can click there and I'll be taken straight. You see, top tags. I can change it maybe to top topics. You see, top topics. So if I click top topics, and when I leave, you see, it will change top topics. So I can come to another pane. Maybe I want to change this to something else. I click there. I will maybe here. So those panes, they'll give us a very fast way to change our themes. Everywhere you see this edit pane, we can be able to use that to change our theme, the appearance of our website. So without using these panes, I want us to go step by step. So to go step by step to modify your website, you click here back. Okay, to go back. You see, I'm able to see back. So all the steps are organized in sections, and the first section is the theme options. So I'll click on theme options, and we're going to go step by step and see all of these sections. So I'll begin with the theme options. So you should also do the same. Now you see, when I click on theme options, there is a back button that comes here. A lot of people always find some challenge to see the back button here. So if I click in this back button, then I'll be able to go back to the main part. So I click here on theme, and if I want to go back, I click here. So we begin. Click on theme options, and then the first we have the first section, content layout. So if I click on content layout, how do you want a website to look like? You see, we have a left sidebar, a right sidebar. So if I want to have the left sidebar or right sidebar, I can select here to change the content layout, how my layout should look like. So if I want to be 100%, you see, you are having this one, then it will be 100%. Okay, the content will be 100%. If I want to have a right sidebar, like the right sidebar here, I can click here. But it's not like every theme will have this. I repeat, it's not like every theme will have this. According to a theme, then it will be able to give you a control. Okay, don't be surprised like your theme does not have this one. But basically, that's how we do all. So my theme can give me this sidebar. So I can leave this layout to look like that. So if I want, I can go back by clicking there. We have header options. I can modify all of these ones here. We have date and author. I can change this one here. We have a single post. I can select which one should be shown on my single post. I'll see this one later. Because this one, it is depending on a theme. But I'm going to see the one which is depending on a site, which is site identity. So by clicking on site identity, we have something that we can set. Among the things that we can set the site logo. Remember, our site did not have a logo before. So I want to set the site logo. So I'll click here to set the site logo. So you have to also create your own logo. I already have a logo, maybe TV news, or I can download a free logo by coming here and say download free news logo. So I click here and then I see some news logos here. Which one should I take? Should I take this one? Or I should take this one? BBC. I think I should take this one, Daily News. Yes, let me take Daily News. Okay, but don't do that. Also, you have to create your own logo. Don't take other people's logos. I'm just doing this to save time. Okay, Daily News, I'll take their logo, and then I'll come here to customizer. Let me customizer site identity. This one, it must be in every website of WordPress. It does not rely on a theme type. So site identity, I can change my logo by drag and drop it here, or you can upload it in your content. I already show you that. I can put the text about my logo. Then I can crop this logo. So you see, I'll make it a square and then say crop, or I can skip the cropping part. And then by doing that, let's see where this logo is going to go. The logo is going to go there, you see. So our logo has gone there. So I have to select also the right dimension, not just to put any kind of logo. So by this moment, I'll leave it there. So by this moment, I'll leave it there. Maybe they meant this horizontal logo. So you have to select the right dimensions. Okay. So after, I can say the site title, UNEWS. Remember, we said this one only for the first time when you are doing when editing your website, when you're creating the website. So I can change it here. Maybe I put it for example, UNEWS24. I remove, I make it UNEWS only. So that will be the site title. You can see it has changed to what? To site title. I can change the tagline. The most breaking news in Somalia. So if I come here, I see the tagline is there in summary. I can change it also at this point. I can change the logo to appear in this window by doing what? Change image here, and then I can select this one that I uploaded before. So this logo is the one that appears on the window when people open your website, the one which appears on the tab. So if I say crop and then I don't crop here. I cropped the wrong part. Okay, no problem. You see, our part has done what? Has been able to change the window part. So I've done that. I'll leave that one at that. So that's how we change the site identity, and it is in every WordPress website. So we come to, I want first begin with those which are about the website, WordPress website. Then after, I'll come to those which are about the theme. So we come to another thing. We come to footer. That's not about a website, a WordPress website. Colors are not about WordPress website. You have a header menu. Menu is about WordPress website. Every WordPress website will have this option of menu. Okay, home settings. That's about also WordPress website. So this one is already activated. I can either change to static menu or latest post. So I'll leave it the way it is. Now after doing that, now let us start looking at the theme possibilities. What themes gives us? The theme gives us these theme options. So according to the theme, it will give you the power to control your website. So theme option, let me click there and start step by step. So it will give me another 3 options. But don't be surprised like you don't find this one in your website. So it will depend on your theme that you installed. So I'll click on theme options and then I come to content layout. I already said this one. I'll come back. I have the second one, header option. Header option, you see, you have, for example, do you want to hide or show the date? You see, this theme can show my date here. So if I want to hide the date, I can check out there. And then you see, the date has been hidden. If I want to show it, I'll keep it there, and then the date will come back. So it will give us the power to control our website. Yes. So do you want to hide or show the time? I can do that at this point. What else? Show title. Show WordPress setting. You see all that. Do you have a Facebook link? You see, this theme gives me the power to put even my Facebook link. Okay, let me put it there. https then www.facebook.com/UNEWS24. So by doing that, let us see what is going to change. So it will load. Boom, we have a Facebook icon. Wow, that's wonderful. According to this theme, I can be I'm able to do what? To put my Facebook. I'm able to put my Twitter. Wow, that's great. So I put Twitter. I think Twitter is at Mobahood. Okay, so I'm able to put even my Twitter link. Wow, that's great. You see, so this theme is that nice. What else? Instagram. No, LinkedIn. This is LinkedIn. Okay, I'll just leave the Twitter link. LinkedIn, I'm able to put my LinkedIn icon. I'm able to put my YouTube channel. youtube.com/UNEWS24. So that's my YouTube website, my YouTube link. You see, I can even put some other links. But before we proceed, everything, so these options are over. Before we proceed, everything that I edit here, they don't go there automatically. For example, you see I've put these links. This is wonderful. This is beautiful. I've been able to put these links, but if I visit this website, still, what is it? It is eNews. I want to put it here. Okay, eNews. You see, the changes have not been saved. The changes will be saved until you click on what? On publish. So when you click on publish, then the changes that we've been making, they will be saved. Then for refresh, you see, I have the what? The links on the other side, and the logo has come also. The logo looks ugly, but I just use it to do what? To show you. So you have to select the right dimensions. They wanted that horizontal logo, but for me I put a square logo. Okay, so I put the links, then I have to go back and see other possible settings. I have date for the author. I don't know what is that. I have single post. So these are about the single post, like when someone is previewing a single post. So if I want to see the settings, I have to click on single post and I preview the single post, and I'm able to do what? To set that. They say enable related post. You see this part, they say do I want to enable this part, the related post? If I don't want to enable, I can disable, then the related post will not be there. Okay, the related post will not be there. Can you see? It has gone, the related post. If I want to put it back, I can click on related post and then put it back, and then it will do what? It will come back. Where is related post? Can you see? Where is it? Where did it go? Let me search it. Related post. Okay, see? Related post. Okay, it is here. Do you want to enable? Okay, which one do you want to show? Related post. So may say you may like to read. So instead of putting that related post, I can put you may like to read, and then you see it will come here. You may like to read. Show or hide categories. So here we can change. We can set. Do you want to hide the categories like this one? If I want to hide the category, so if I hide it, let us see what will change. To process. You see the categories that were here in the post had gone. If I want to have them back, then they'll come back. So I can set here what I want and what I don't want. So that's why I customize. What you missed, this you missed section. I think this one you missed section. I can enable it, I can disable it. The footer, that is the bottom part. I can guess that. The bottom part, what do you want to have in the bottom part? First of all, the background. I can change the background by setting the photo, but I don't want to put a background photo. Which overlay color do you want? My colors are red, so if I put red, let me click red and we see what will come. So I click on set color. Let us see. Boom, you have the red color because my company's color are red, so I have put red color. So that's what I talked about. So select the columns, the number of columns. If I want 3 columns here, I can select them. Do you want to put your Facebooks there down? Yes, I want to put them. Okay, so I can put also my links for Facebook and whatever inside the what? Inside the footer. So this theme gives me that option. So I do that to process, and then let us see. Boom, we have the links for what? For social media. So if I click back, so these sections of theme options are over. Let us go ahead. Site identity, we finished it. We began with the site identity. So we come to footage. What is it? Footage page. What is? I don't know even a footage page. So it depends on the theme. So banner advertisement. Yeah, I like this. Banner advertisement. I think this one will come just when someone visits the website for the first time. Banner advertisement. So I can put this advertisement in case I have an advert. So I can put that. I don't know what it is exactly. So I can upload a new photo, and I do it, and I set it. Banner advertisement. After banner advertisement, what else do we have? The link to the banner. I think this one will come as a pop-up. I don't know. You know, it depends on the theme. So I've never used this theme. So according to your theme, you'll be able to be what? To set it. Let us see. Let us publish and see what is it exactly. So let me go in incognito mode, so that I should be like I've visited this type theme for the first time. So how do you go in incognito mode? Ctrl-Shift-N. Ctrl-Shift-N. So you'll be able to go in incognito. So let me go to the news for the first website for the first time. I expect that will be the pop-up. So this is how the website will look like for the very first time. Okay, this is the banner, I think. Okay, they were meaning this one. In case you have a banner advertisement, then I can put there, and then I'll be able to do what? See advertisement. Okay, so that's the banner for us. So I have top tags. In case I want to put some top tags. Okay, what are the top tags? I think they are these ones. Top tags. I think we saw them somewhere. If I come to home, you see, top tags, the top topics. It changed the top topics here. What the top tags? What are people reading? And remember, these tags, we created them when we are creating the posts. So if someone need to read about Corona News, then you can click on Corona News, and then they'll show them the page of Corona News straight away. So that's the top tag. Come to latest posts. I can say that one. Sidebar. What I want to be in the sidebar. This sidebar. I can say the background. If I want to put the background image, I can set the tabs. The most popular, I think we have them here, the sidebar. So I can go back. Again. I've finished that section. We come to colors. Okay, colors. What is the primary color? Yes, I was missing this because my website is, my primary color for my company is red. So, but it's showing blue. So I have to change this. Good. So I put red and then click there. Oh, that's the red color. And then the background color, I don't know what they'll change. Background color, red also. Let's see what's going to be changed. I don't know. The background color, I don't know what was changed. I thought that the red color will be this main color. Okay, we shall see. Let me put the red. Okay, so I can go back. Header image. What I want to appear here in this header. You see, I already have this building. I can change it. Okay, by adding image. I can come back. Background image. If in case I want a background image to have a background, to have an image in my background, I can upload an image, and then in my background of the website, the whole website, we shall have that image. Okay, so I can select the type, maybe default or full or fill, and then the background of that website, we shall have the what? The image. So what else? We have the menus. These menus, you shall look at them later. Don't worry about them. Okay, so we have widgets. With these widgets, let's look at widgets. Widgets is just like in case you want to put some more things inside your footer, you can select here footer, and then you can add some widget. When you click on add widget, you have different things that you can add. You can add some pages, you can add a video in your footer, you can add some archive. For example, if I want to add a video in my footer, I can click on video. And then if it's a video, I can select here, and then I say add video. Insert URL. Maybe it's a video from YouTube. Let me get a YouTube video. YouTube video. Let me just select this first video, copy it, copy the link, and then I'll come here, I'll paste. So it depends on your footer. Then I'll say add widgets. So let us see what's going to happen. Can you see? In our footer, we have been able to add what? To add a widget. I mean this widget, which is this video. Okay. So I can put the comment news. Okay. So that will be the title for this widget. So I can add the widget. I can add widgets also in the what? In the sidebar. You see the different these widgets. In case I want to remove the search, I can remove it. Maybe I don't want the search here, I can remove it. You see, it is gone. In case I want to organize this, like recent comments, can you see recent comments? This one, I want it on bottom, I can move it down. Okay, on bottom. In case I want to remove this meta, I can remove the metas. In case I want to add another widget, I can remove another widget. Maybe I want to add the search back, I can put the search. Okay, if I put add search, then it will come. Maybe I want to put on top again. So that's how we add and remove widgets in the what? In the sidebar. So that's it, and that's how we customize a what? That's how we customize a theme. But I did not customize these colors. I don't know why. This theme is not that powerful. It did not manage. It will not make us to what? To customize the colors. That's awkward. Okay, I think to customize the color, we need to buy it first. We need to buy it in order to what? To customize the what? To customize the colors. So there we are, and that's how we customize a theme. So according to your theme, you will have different powers to customize your what? Your website. So I'll publish to save my what? My settings. And that's all how we customize and how we install a what? A theme. So if I close here, I'll have a new theme that looks that has made my website look really different. You see, instead of having the whole website like the way it was, I mean the whole post in a home page like the way it was in WordPress post, I can have something like this. I can even click here, I can read this post. So that's how we customize what? That's how we customize themes. So we go to another topic of today, plugins. So what are plugins? Okay, what are plugins? So plugins, they are, I repeat, plugins, they are what should I say? Plugins, they are things that add functionality to our page. They are not things. They are features of WordPress that add functionality to our page. For example, we said that themes, they change the appearance of our what? Of our page. Now plugins, they change or they add functionality of our WordPress website. You see, for the themes, I mean for the theme, it changed the what? The appearance of our website. For the plugin, they will add more functionality, the ability for our website to perform more things. For example, if you have an idea like you want your website to accomplish and you don't know how you should accomplish it, so you have to add a plugin that can accomplish that idea. For example, this is my website. I want to be able to be sharing my posts. I want to have those sharing buttons, but I don't have the ability to put those sharing buttons in my website. So I have to put the plugin for sharing buttons, like someone can share it on Facebook, Twitter, in order people should be able to share my website in other platforms. So I'll need a plugin to do that. So to add a plugin, I'll come to plugins, and then by clicking on plugin, they'll first show you the plugins that we have in your website. At the moment, I deleted all the plugins that I had, so there's not any plugin. Now if I want to add a plugin, there is also a market for what? For plugin. Just like the way we saw the market for themes, so we also have a market where we can find all the plugins. So if I want the plugin, I click on plugin, then add new plugin. So it will process, and then you see the plugins. So they'll begin by showing you the most featured plugin. These are among the popular plugins. I think all of these are made by WordPress itself. So if we click here, we shall see the popular plugin, the most loved plugin, or the most used plugins. You can see the contact 7 is used by 7 million of people. We have Yoast plugin is for SEO, search engine optimization, 5 millions. We have WooCommerce, 5 million. This is the next business that we shall have. We have Jetpack. This is what? This is also 5 millions. Installed by 5 millions. So these are the most plugins that are used by people. But don't just install a plugin if you don't have a reason why you should to. Okay, don't install a plugin because you don't have a reason. But you can come and get an idea, like why are people installing this duplicate plugin. First, find out why are people installing it, what is its use. Then if you see it is relevant to you and you need it, then you can do what? You can install that plugin. Okay, now for example, me, I've come here while knowing the purpose that has brought me here, or while knowing what I really want. I want the share button plugin. You can come here and then you see recommended plugins. I want the share button plugin. So if you really know what you want, just simply come here to search and find what you want by click on I've written the word search. I say I want share. Okay, so you also find the plugins about the search. Okay, so there, share, there it is. Now you see these are plugins that talk about the sharing buttons. Okay, so you can find out the one that will work for you. Me, I already know this one, so I'm going to install this one. Okay, so before you install a plugin, you can click on it and then you'll see the review, what people are talking about it, and how to use it. For example, if you see here description, what this plugin is promising to do for you, you can read it. Screenshots, how to look like, the appearance. You see, they're the buttons that I want to be able to share on Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram. You can have reviews, like what people are talking about this plugin. Can you see? It is really popular, 5-starred plugin, and 4,000 people are saying this plugin is good. So for that reason, I'm going to install it, and here are the steps of how to install it. So I'm going to install it by simply clicking on install. So here it will start processing. You can see it is processing. So as it is processing, I'll be patient. You see this guy, what is he saying? It is saying that this plugin is also good. So you can also try it. Don't just use mine, but you should also try other kind of plugins and see how they work for you. So it will process. And you shall be patient. So our plugin has been installed, but it was not updated. No problem. So if we come to plugins, we will see the plugins. But installing a plugin does not mean to activate it. You can have in 1,000 plugins while they're not activated. So if you want to use a plugin, you have to first activate it. So I click on activate to activate this plugin. So to start activating, okay, so our plugin has been activated. So you see on this side menu we have got one more menu. That's why when we are at UNEWS24, we saw a lot of things on the side menu. Why? Because UNEWS24, they have a lot of plugins installed. That's why you see other menus. So you see, when you install this menu, the menu for this plugin comes here, and then let us start setting this plugin. I don't know even how to set it, so you shall go step by step. So when you install a plugin, it will come with its own rules. So you have to be creative and see how you can set it on your own, because I'll not be able to teach you about every plugin. I'll not manage to do that, but I'll show you the concept of plugins. So this plugin has took us to this page. Let us start setting. Page step number 1. Which buttons, which icons do you want to show to your site? RSI field, the Facebook icon, the YouTube icon, maybe my Instagram. Okay, after doing that, then I can click on what? On save. You can also select others. So according to this plugin, I save that one, then it means that this will be able to be shown on my website. What do you want icons to do? Okay, this RSS field, what do you want it to do to go to this website? Okay, so I'll leave it to the RSS feed, no problem. when someone clicks on the email icon, what do you want to do? Follow the email text or direct him to somewhere. Okay, so I'll let them to be directed to my email address. Okay, so when someone clicks on Facebook, what do you want to do? Visit my Facebook page. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I'll put also my Facebook link there. Okay, so it will be https://facebook.com/UNEWS24. so this is according to this plugin, okay, not the plugin that you're going to use also. Okay, so after doing that, Twitter, where do you want your Twitter to go? I can copy the same link, no problem. I put there. Twitter name at Mobahood. Okay, follow me on Twitter, and then they tweet me. Okay, so that's there we are. Okay, so after YouTube, I can put my YouTube link. Okay, visit my YouTube page. Okay, so if I have a username, you can do other things here. Instagram is visiting my Instagram. Then I can save also. So I'm trying to say these buttons that are going to appear on my screen. So that's the second one. Where do you want where shall they display? So I can select where they display, where they should be floating, where they should show them via the widgets, where they should show via the shortcuts, where they should do what? Show icons after a post. Okay, show icons after a post. So I can select these ones, so they will show them like this after a post. Original icons or look like this icons, no problem. So I'm trying to set, I can make them to float. Place the wire code. Okay, I can make them to float. So why do you want them to float? By default those float on this side. Okay, I can put them to float on the bottom like this. Okay, so I can set more things here. So I'll save that one. So after saving that one, so there are other optional settings that I can set. What design do you want of icons? I can choose a design. Maybe I want this splash. Okay, I want this one, the normal one. Any design I want. Flat icons. Do you want to display counts on the icons? I can select a yes if they want them to be displaying the number of counting, like how many people have shared this post. Okay, so I can say that. Okay, so what else? Any wishes for your icons? Okay, these are enough for settings. Do you want shortcut, subscription, whatever? I save. So according to this plugin, that's what it does for the icons. Now let's go to our website and see if we have added this functionality of sharing. So I refresh. Can you see? That's wonderful. I have got the links and the counting. You see, the counting is the false one at this moment. So if someone click here, they have visit our website and then share. So if they click here, they'll be taken to what? To our website. So my point is, this functionality was not in our website, but by the power of plugin, I've been able to add the functionality of share into my website. I can even share this page into to a Facebook page, to Facebook account. I can share on Twitter. I can do all that. So what made me able to do that? It was the power of, can you see? I'm able to do what? To share the link, and then the description, you can see the way it was supposed to be. So that's the power of what? That's the power of plugins. So it gives you more ability. It adds more functionality to your website. So if you have an idea, like you want to put something in your website, and WordPress does not have ability to do this thing in your website, what you do, you search for relevant plugin and then add it inside your website, and then you'll have the ability to perform that action. Okay, so plugins, that's how we do them. We put them. If you want to uninstall, again, come to plugin, you can deactivate it or you can delete it. So plugins also covered. So we go to pages. So remember, we defined the pages in the first videos. We say that pages, they are static things that we don't usually change. So if you want to create a page, you simply click on page. We gave example of pages. We say that we can have an about us page, a privacy and policy page, you can have contact us page, etc. Terms and condition page, things that are not going to change anytime. Those are what we call page. But posts, they are anything that you get an idea, you post. You get an idea, you post. So to create a new page, you simply come here to new and then say page. And then you simply come here to page and then say add new page. Okay. So I'm going to create the about us page. I already have another one, but I'll show you how to create it. So to create an about us page, I'll simply come and put about us page. So it is just like the WordPress post. I'll not even repeat anything here. The exact thing that we did in a WordPress post is the exact thing that you do here in the about us page. So you see, this theme gives us more control again when you're creating even the post. So I put the title of the post is about us page, of this page is about us page. So I can come and copy some content about the about us page here. Maybe let's see the about us page of this website. Do you have about us page? Yeah, about us page is here. So I can copy their content. I can copy their content. But don't do that. Don't do that. You have to write the about us page by yourself. Don't copy other posts. I'm just doing that to save time. So if I paste there, then I have the about us in seconds. Okay. So you click on settings to have you see this, sometimes it will be hidden, you see. So if you want to have it back, click on settings here. So we have document, and then you see we don't even have a lot of things to set, like category. You don't set even a post category, tags. You see, we don't have all those things. We just have only page featured image, because it is not a post. Okay, so I can publish this post just exactly. You can add image just exactly like the way we did in our post. So to publish, I'll click there, publish. Then we have this about us page. I can click here to view it. It is about us page too, because there's another about us page. Okay, so if I go to my home page, let's see something here. If you create a post, automatically it comes here to home page. But can you see the page? No, you cannot see the page. Page does not come. Why? Because it's something static. It is something static. But you see, if I create a new post, I'm going to create a post right now, just within seconds. So I'll just say simple post. I can say simple content. Okay. So you see, this is the post. So I can set the categories. I can set whatever. I'm going to put here the featured image, and then I will maybe set this one to be the featured image. This one, no, it's irrelevant. I'll upload a new one. Okay, I'll upload a new featured image. Which one should I do? I don't have images. Okay, I'll upload. I deleted my photos, downloads. I have some photos here. Yeah, okay, welcome this photo. Okay, so I'm going to say that as a featured image. I'm creating a post. I want to show you the difference between a post and the page. So it will process. It's a bit slower. Okay, so I'll say that as a featured image. Now I'll publish this post. Can you see? And then I'll come to a home page. Just see what I told you. The post automatically, it has come and joined this home page. It has come here in the archives. It has come in the home page. So that is a post, but a page, it did not come. Why? It is something static. So how can we get a page? How can we let the people know about us? Maybe how can we get the people know about the page? Or how can we give the access of the visitors to the page? So to do that, you need to do some navigation. And to put the navigation inside your website, we use what we call menus. So that's how we create a page. There's no big deal about the page. If you understood how to create a post, then to create a page is exactly the same way. Now we want now to give the navigation. So to give a navigation to your website, to the users who visit the website, you have to give them what? A menu. You have to give them what? A menu. Can you see? Assume that you see, look at this UNEWS24 website. This UNEWS24. It is a page, it is having around 9,000 posts. Now, if your visitors want to read a specific topic, so how will they navigate through your website? So you have to give them a what? A menu like this. If my visitor want to read entertainment news, he'll simply come to news, maybe for example, want to read business news, he'll come to news and click on business, and then they'll see news about business only. If they want to read about entertainment, they can come to entertainment, to news, and then they click on entertainment, maybe gossip, and then they'll see the news about the gossip only. So that gives good user experience to what? To our users. But if you don't have the good navigation, then your users will be confused, and that's really bad. And it may let you the visitors to it may let you to lose the what? To lose the visitors. So right now we're going to see how to create navigation menus. So to create navigation menu, point number 1, you have to create categories for your website posts. So website post, every post, you should have a category. Remember, when you're creating a post, we had something called category, and at that time we had only one category. So you have to create categories so that your visitors, or the website visitors, should be able to navigate the related post at the moment. So to create a category, first, before you even create your shop, you have to first think about the categories that you'll be participating in. Now, for example, mine is a news website, so I'm going to create the categories for my news website. I'm going to be faster, so I can say my news website, I can create even a list. Okay, my news website is going to be having news. Okay, and under news I'll have health news, and under health news I'll have under news I'll have health news, I'll have what else? Entertainment. This one will have okay, news, health news, politics. Okay, can put politics. I can put education news. Okay, so that's according to news. That's my menu, and then I'll come back to the main list. I'll have another parent category. I can say world news. I can, under world news, I can put entertainment news. I can put Africa news, and under under world news I can put Europe. So you see how you do what? How you create category. I'm just showing you, giving you an idea. I can put Europe. I can put Asia news. Can you see? Asia news. Then that's enough. I can come back again. I create another parent category. I can say maybe lifestyle. So I can put Somalia lifestyle. Lifestyle. I can put entertainment. I can put celebrity news. Celebrity news. I can put local news. I can put gossip news. I can put maybe pictures. Okay, pictures. Okay, so I can put here opinions. So that's according to my news. So I'll be putting my posts according to these categories. I'll be putting my posts according to these categories. That's point number 1. Before create your website, you have to think about the category that you'll be participating in. Now, assume that your website is a shop. Okay, this is according to the news website. So assume your website is a shop. So you also as well have to think about the categories of a shop. Let me help you and create here another example for for shop categories. So I can put again a list, and then it will also have a parent. So we can have for women. And then under for women, you can put skirts, you can put blouses. What's the spelling of blouses? I hope that's it. I can put maybe dresses. I can put women's shoes. That's, for example, I'm creating a website about a shop, so maybe I'll be posting about those one. So I can put makeup. How do you call makeup? I'll leave that. Okay, so I can put men for men, so the category for men, that if I get a customer who is a man, he should know where to go directly without passing too far. So for men, I can put watches. I can put maybe belts. I can put t-shirts. I can put I can put t-shirts. I can put vests if I have that. Okay, I can put t-shirts. I can put suits. That is spelling of suit. Okay, I hope so. I can put what else? I can put men's shoes. Okay, so that's it. So I have maybe kids, another parent category. Can you see a category and subcategory? You can even put another subcategories here. I have, so for example, I can put now kids. I can put kids. I can have boys. I can have girls. I can have toys for kids. So I can put another maybe electronics. So that's my simple category for shop website. So if someone visit my shop website, he will be able to navigate freely into my website. So let us go and see how we create categories, so that the post categories that we shall have, the categories for website that we will have, they'll do what? They'll be, the posts in our website, they should have categories. So how to create a category? You come to posts, click on posts. Then you click on categories. Me already create some categories. I already have them. So I used them before when I was practicing. So, but I'll show you how to create a post category. How to create categories. Now, I want to create a category for, I think I should delete them just to help you. I'll delete all of them. Delete. So you'll always have one category which is uncategorized. So I'm going to show you how to create what? How to create categories in a faster way. So I'll first note down my categories, and they're here. Can you see? They're here. You first write down your categories. Don't just create categories without thinking about them. Okay? So these are my categories. These ones. So we are going to feed them. So I have news. I put this one on this side and this on this side. So I have news category. So that's the main category. So I'll come here and put news. You see? I come to post the post categories. So I'll put news, and then I say add category. So news, it will come. Can you see? It has come here. News category. So under news, we have health news. Okay? Health news. So I have health news, or I can say health. So come health news. So everything about coronavirus will come under health news. But this health news, see clearly, this health news is under the news category. So it is having a parent. So its parent is news category. So I'll come here and select parent news. You see news will come automatically here. So I'll put news. So this is under news category. So I'll click add news. Then you see it has come here. So I have to put also the description about this one. But for me to save time, I'll not put the description. But you have to create a description for each for each post. So I'll have to come to politics. And this politics is under what? Is under news also. So I'll add it there. I'll come and so if you can see that when you have news, I can have and make quick edit. I don't have this dot here of a list. Okay, so I want you to see something here, that if you create something to be a child of another category, you will have this dash. Okay, so I can put here let me paste only text. So I can put here education news. Education news, they're also under news category, so it is also a child. I'll add it there. Can you see it is child to that? So I have world news. This world news is a parent, it has no child, so I'll paste and then make it a parent. To make it a parent, I'll select none here. Okay, none. Then I'll add it. Then you see world news does not have a dash. Why? Because it is a parent to itself. So under world news we have African news, so I'll copy that and come and paste it here, African news, and then I'll wrap this and make it under world news. Okay, I'll have African news, so I'll add it there. Then it will come under world news here. Under world news here we have had African news. I have Europe news, so I'll come here and put Europe. So I'll select the parent, which is Europe, and then add there. So you'll see under Europe, under world news, we shall have Europe news. So we can do the same, but save time, I'll stop here. So under lifestyle, I can come and again create another category for lifestyle and do the same. So this lifestyle will have to be what? A parent. So to put a lifestyle, I'll have to do what? To select none here because it has no parent. Then I add it. They'll see lifestyle will have no parent. So Somalia lifestyle, it is a child to what? It is a child to lifestyle. So I'll come and select this one and come and then I make it child by selecting the parent to be lifestyle. So that's how we select the parent and child relationship. Can you see? Parent and child relationship in categories. So it means that our categories now, they must have what? They must, our posts, they must have the categories. Before our posts did not have categories, they were having that categories of what? Of uncategorized. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give these post categories. So to give a post category, you have to go to what? To posts. And then after reaching the posts, and then are these posts that I have? Seriously? Published posts. Oh yeah, I selected the screen. I reduced them here. Okay, we have covered a lot of things, so I have to put them 5 per page. So we have the post here. So I can select, we can do quick edit. Remember I said that you can simply change the category by performing quick edit. Select all, quick edit, or you can simply do some quick edit here and say apply. Then you see we are able to do what? To say the categories. So can you see the parent-child relationship? We have got it here, and then we are able to say these categories, these posts to specific categories. But since each post is I want to be in its own related category, so I'll not do the quick edit like that, but I can do quick edit per post because each post can have its own special category. So to do that, I can simply click on quick edit, and then I can select maybe this is COVID-19. It is under health news. And remember that a post, you see here, this is the default WordPress post, category. A post can have more than what? More than one category. So I put under health news, and then it is case return in Norway. I can put maybe in Europe news. Then I can say update. So you see this category, this post is going to have in that specific category. So it will make the navigation for our users to do what? To make it simple for the users to navigate through our website. Because if they want to read, if I refresh here, now if the users want to read about health news, you see health news, they'll just click on health news, and then they'll be shown the posts which are under health news. So I want maybe also to give this one a post, a category. I click there, I can then be able to do what? To give it a category. So I can as well click on normal edit, and I say the category. You remember when we were creating a post, we had this category part. Okay, so if right now, at first I said we should skip it, shall look at it later, and now this is the time. So you can select that by clicking here on category, and then you will be listed the categories in your post, in your website that you created before, and then you'll be able to do what? To set them. Even next time that you create a post, you'll have these categories existing in your in your website. So I can click there. How do you close? I don't know how to cancel. I can just go back. Okay, so that's how we do it. That's how we set categories. This one does not have category. I can put it in the news and maybe under health news. See, under health news. So I can update. So that is how we create categories. So, and that's how we set posts to have specific categories to make it simple for people who visit our website navigate through our website simply. So you can see here we have a lot of posts, but if we don't have categories, how could people read specific posts? It could be a big challenge. So what do? We create for them posts, categories, so that they can be able to do what? To navigate through our website simply. Okay, so lastly on our today's class is what? Is the menu. Because now we have created posts. Okay, we have created posts, but you don't have the menu. How can we be able to do what? To navigate. Like we created even a page, but we didn't have the menu like this one. Okay, so we have created categories, but those categories, they are about the post, not about the appearance. Okay, now the topic, now we are going to learn how to create the menu like this one, so that our users should be able to navigate through what? Through our website. So to create a menu, you simply come to appearance and then come to menu. So you should be attentive here. We're going to finish. The video has been too long, but you're going to finish just a few minutes. This is the last topic. So you can, right now I don't have any menu. I delete all the menus that I have. So you can create a new menu by just typing here the menu name. So I'm going to create a new menu by clicking here, create menu. So I can say you can use any name, but relevant name, my main menu 1. Okay, so that's my main menu 1. So I can say create menu, and then I have this menu. Okay, but this menu does not have any content. So if I want to create another menu, I can simply click here, create another menu. But this menu does not have any content. So before I add another menu, let me create some other menus that you should know. So create menu, you see it comes here, create another menu. So I can click here, my menu 2. I can put my social media menu, you see. So I have 2 menus now. You can create as many as you want, but you will not be able to activate all of them at once. I can create another one, my social media menu 2, okay. So I can create another one, my menu. Let me just put my menu 2. Okay, so I have these menus. Okay, now if remember, these menus, you have not put there any content. Now if you want to put content inside the menu, you have to select it first. Now I want to put some content in the main menu that I created first, my main menu. I'll have to come here to select it. So I say select my main menu 1. This one, the one that I want to edit. So I click there and then click on select. So when I click on select, it will be loaded in this editing place. Can you see? And I'm able to do what? To edit it. Now to add the content in your website, in your menu, you cannot add everything, but there's some specific thing that you can add. Among them, we have a category. Remember the category that we create? You can add a category inside the what? Inside the menu. You can add a post link, a custom link. You can add a post, and you can add a page. These are the things that you can add in a menu. A category, a link, a custom link, a post, or a page. Now I'm going to begin by adding my categories, because the categories that I created, they are not about the appearance, they are about the organization of the posts. Now if I want these categories to appear inside the menu or inside my website, so I have to add them in the menu. So I'll click here on category, and then you see I click on view all. Then I'll see all the categories that I created before. I can select all of them if I want. I can even unselect some. For example, health news, I'm going to leave it. Okay, and this uncategorized, I'm going to leave it. So I'll select these ones. You can select all by clicking here, or you unselect some. I don't want this one. Then I say add to menu. So when I click on add to menu, these menus, these category links, they will be added here. Okay, I can even re-add more times if I want. and they'll duplicate, but I don't want the duplicates in my menu. But this menu, sorry, these many items that I've added there, they are all on same level. Can you see? They don't have submenu, but I want to have something like submenu. Under lifestyle, I should be having this submenu. Under this business, I should have this submenu. Now, to do that, remember under world news, we have African this, but all of them, they're on same level. So to do that, you click, you drag and drop one step ahead like that. You see? I do like that. So by doing like that, then you shall have the submenu. So under news, we have education news. So I'll put this one here. I'll put this one here. And then you see here, sub item, and this one here. Even if I want this one to be under here, then I'll move it like this. But I don't want that one. I want it to be under news. And under lifestyle, I have Somalia lifestyle, like that. Okay, so that's one of the items that we can add inside our what? Inside our menu. Okay, another item that you can add in the menu, you see, I can collapse this one. You see, I can collapse it by simply clicking here. So among items that you can add in our menu, we have the custom link. Custom link means like any kind of link that you want. For example, it's an external link. So if I click here, I'll be able to add my external link. Maybe I want to add a link of BBC inside my menu. So I'll come and get maybe BBC, bbc.co.uk. Then I can say BBC. Okay. Then the link what should appear what in my website in the menu. So if I click on add, then I'll have here bbc.co.uk here, and what is appearing is the BBC. I can remove the item from the menu by clicking here, and then you click on remove. It will be able to do what? Remove. Or I can modify the item inside my menu. So that's how we add a custom menu. You can even put your Facebook profile inside your menu. So I can collapse that. You can add another custom links if you want. So I can add a post inside the menu, but these posts are dynamic, so you don't need to put posts inside the menu unless it is necessary. But you don't need to put posts inside the menu because they change every time, but the menu does not change every time. So remember we talked about pages. Now this is the point. A page if you want to give a navigation to your user to see the page, then you have to add a page inside your menu, so that this inside the menu people can access the page. So for example, I want to add about us page inside the menu. So I click on add, then you shall have about us here. Okay, so I can save this menu. By saving it, I come and refresh. We have this menu nowhere. Still it is not there. Why? Because you have just created it and you have not activated it to any slot. Okay, you can modify other menu. For example, I can come and I can select the social media menu and put there my social media links. Remember the social media link, they are custom links. So I put there maybe my Facebook link. I'll come and copy my Facebook link. Okay, Facebook link, and then I write here what will appear. Maybe follow me on Facebook. Okay, our Facebook. Okay, that's just my social media menu. You can create. It's not necessary that I should create a social media menu. You can create another kind of menu. Okay, I can create another maybe Twitter. Twitter.com/mobilehood. So I can put here our Twitter. So if I add it there, then it will be added to our menu. These are custom links because they are not inside the website. Lastly, I can put maybe instagram.com, and then I'll say our Insta. Maybe I add it there. Then this just, and I showed you how to create another menu. You can create different kind of menus about the company, about the what. So these are our menus. But remember, these menus, they are not activated. Now the question is, if you want now to use this menu, you can create even 100 menus if you want, but these menus will not appear until you activate them. So to activate these menus, you come to menu, then you click on manage menu. So when you click on manage menu, then you'll be able to activate the menus that you created before. Now listen here carefully. According to the power of the theme, it will give you the possible slots where you can activate the menu. I repeat, according to the power of the theme, it will give you the possible slots where you can activate the menu. For example, this theme, it gives us only 2 slots. Only 2 slots where we can put our menus. The first slot is the primary menu. The second slot is a is a footer menu. But if you come to a website like UNEWS24, I'll show you. This is another theme. If I come to appearance, okay, and then come to menu, then I come to what? To menu, okay, menu. I come to manage menu. Just the same things, you know. But you see, here we have 4 slots. We have 4 slots. So don't be surprised to find your theme it has only 1 slot of what? Of a menu. Okay? So this theme is more powerful than the other because it gives us a lot of places where we can activate the menus. So we have created our menus here, and now we need to activate them. So to activate, you click on manage locations, and then you can select. Now here, main menu. So what do you want to put in the main menu? Then the menu that we created before, we can choose one. So in main menu, I want to put my main menu one, and you saw how we create my menu one. Maybe in the footer, I want to put there my social media links. Okay, then I can click. But I can as well put again main menu there in the footer. Okay, so I put my social media links in the what? In the footer. Then I say save changes. So by doing that, then I'll be able to see our menus inside our what? Inside our website. So by doing that, I can come, and then you see, we have lifestyle. Boom, we have that beautiful menu. We have news, and under news have this, and have world news, and then this will give, you see, now our page people can visit, can read about us. But before, the pages were appearing nowhere. So if someone click on this page, and then you can be able to see the about us page. Now if someone needs to read Africa news, maybe we have around 1 million of posts inside our Wordpress post. Now if someone wants to read the Africa news, so does he need to go and browse all the menus? All the posts? No, you have to provide them a category, and then in category it should appear inside the menu. Now see, under Africa news, we don't have any news. But if you come here to news, under health news, we have a single news, and then you can see it. I have 2 news, and then you see the relevant news have been outlined here. So by doing that, it will give a good navigation to your users. Let us go to footer menu. Can you see our footer menu is here, but is being hidden by this one? Can you see our Facebook, our Twitter, our Insta? So this is according to this theme. They'll put the footer menus there. So at this point, I'll stop this video here, and I'll stop the class here. And I hope you've understood everything. If you get any problem, please feel free to put your problem in the comment section, and I'll be able to respond to it. If you missed the first videos, I'll put the links of the first videos in the comment section of this video, and you can look at those videos first before you come to this, in case you're a beginner. And I hope you're not missing the next video session, which will be aired on this same channel. And please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching up to this point.